as hard. This is getting serious. Remember when the river was full? We've been careless.
What we can do? It feels like the water is draining.
We can't just give up. We really need to start saving water. And those leaking pipes and holes need fixing. And we should work together. Exactly. In those trees, we need to plant more. They help the land hold on to the water. We need to teach the young ones how important it is to respect water.
I can help. I start a maintenance poster, maybe some little presentation. Everyone involved.
That's very true. And we can build a community effort to make our irrigation system. If we work together, we can do it. Good day to all of you. My name is Ron, and today we're discussing ways to preserve and maintain our precious water resources. Let's welcome our guest, Alice, a water conservation. Miss Ludwig is our mayor. Juan, a local market, and Maya, our student concern. Hi everyone. I'm really worried about the water waste pollution. What can we do to help?
Great question, Mike. Simple action like using using like using of the appliances, reducing water usage, and reducing water usage in our daily routine that we have to. As a farmer, I understand the importance of water farming. We're implementing drip irrigation and crop rotation to optimize water use.
Our city is committed to water conservation. We are investing in water efficient infrastructure and promoting education programs to raise awareness. That's reassuring. What can we do to this message?
Everyone should make a difference. Use water efficiently, appliances, report leaks, and support organizations moving as water conservation.
Water is life, isn't it? Our ancestors knew that. We need to remember that and teach our generation. Great discussion. Remember, every drop counts. And together, we can make a difference in preserving our water resources. Let's conserve our water resources and protect our planet.